good, YouTube? It's the video after. Obviously it's the video after my last video. This a day after my last video, so I'm about to hit a meet right quick. You feel me? I'm about to get that going. I put the banner on. I ain't really record that real quick. I'm just gonna put that in this video. Y'all gonna see the banner in this video. It's right here though. This shit hard. Yeah, I'm on my way to the meet right now. Feel me? Got good snacks over here. Y'all know I stay with some snacks. Got my sour cherries. My dad really put me onto these. Like he used to always buy these when I was a kid. And you know, you a kid, you want some candy. Hey, let me get some candy. Wait, look. I got them from Buc-ee's though. But alright, but yeah, I'll cut the camera back on when I get to that. Man, it's all good. I ain't think I was gonna come today neither, bro. It was kind of a last minute thing for me too.
My homeboy, he wanted me to go to his, but he said he racing.
Yeah, what you sent me, yeah. Like
that nigga got a RT, but that nigga be beating scats.
For real? Oh, he got it modded?
Hell yeah, he got hella shit. Nigga, he been working on my shit.
Damn.
Like he got my shit pushing. I'm pushing.
Because he sent me a picture of like 2 392s or up. He said, hell yeah. He said, I said, how much it cost?
I want to do a swap. I don't know.
That's crazy as hell. I want to get something like that. Something crazy.
I mean, I watched the video. I ain't gonna lie. I only watched 3 videos. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You good? Hey, something better than nothing to me.
It just be a nigga be busy. I be like, damn, I need to support my nigga.
Shit, clean as fuck.
That scat.
Yeah, I thought that was my homeboy first time. I was like, hold on. He got the same
I thought that was my homeboy.
I was like, hold on, bro. I know one of the quiet members. That Camaro's here.
Damn, they got an arrow.
Z01?
Z01?
With the radios on the back. And they got some pizza and shit. That shit sound. Damn, I want to slide.
I want some slice. Oh God.
This nigga look familiar. Oh, that's the shit by the house.
Damn, I gotta show you my old.
Huh?
Still trying to get a scat on.
Man, that nigga Brandon on bullshit.
Do you still work up there?
Yeah, he still work there. They changed my schedule though.
Oh, damn,
I work.
You don't work with none of them on.
Nah, I work. I only on Thursday.
Yeah, they ain't got that.
Let me get out there with. Supercharged. See, I need my tent like that.
Are we pushing 392?
Hell yeah.
What,
What the HELLCAT hood?
I'm buying those things. Those wheels.
Oh, the bronze ones?
Yeah, bro. I'm saying, when I swapped my shit and I found it for sale, I'm trying to get 5 spokes.
5 spokes, yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah, I was like, if I find those, I'm buying those bitches. I ain't gonna get.
I don't like. Drag radio. One more time. God damn.
Full on straight fight.
That shit.
I sure did it. Everyone better start
That shit louder than mine. That bitch loud as fuck.
They had said my name. They like Jeremiah, ugly ass nigga.
For real?
Boys, oh God.
I ain't heard.
I heard that. I think I went to school with them. I'm trying to see what they in.
Right. He's all right. Hey, look, my boy cocky. Now he got. That boy cocky, nah. That boy said, I'll erase that motherfuckers. Don't talk if you ain't trying to line it up.
I know I beat they shit. I'll show you what they came in.
What they came in?
That? Well, when it was a dude that drove by and they had curtains out the window. Oh yeah. They was talking to me, but I didn't see who they was. I know them.
I don't know what they got going. Oh, okay. Picture time. Right, we're just gonna go around these folks. Boy, got the red headlights. Why your lights ain't on?
Shit, I don't even know.
The ball, no. Sick of foot.
I like to save. Y'all cruising tonight?
Nah, I'm about to go back to the crib.
Sleep, bro.
Oh yeah, my boy did have to work.
I gotta work early in the morning too, at 8 o'clock.
God, I had got off at 3.
It must be nice. I got up at 6.
It's my day off.
Damn, and you off on the weekend?
I'm off tomorrow and Sunday.
Well, I'm off on the weekends too, so.
Oh, shit, Memorial Day.
Oh no, they selling bro.
Them tacos, I know them motherfuckers good.
Shit on iPad.
Yeah. Rest in peace to whoever that was.
See, bro, I'll get something like this.
Yeah, nah, this is hard.
His pictures are from.
Woo. This a Fox body?
It's a dream car right here, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't fuck with old Mustangs, bro. No, don't get me wrong. This, when it comes to Back to the Future,
Yeah.
that was a thing.
That was a DeLorean.
I know what I'm saying, though, you don't get that vibes, so
Yeah.
like the
Oh, yeah,
vibes,
that's
like,
like a
yeah.
DeLorean.
Yeah, but no, that is for like track though, like for the drag show, that shit good.
Like what's it called? The dude who was just with us, one of his members was like, he had one. He has one.
Damn. It's red. Okay, yeah, I seen that one.
He had like the, I think he about to get it painted, so.
Oh, okay.
That that dude who was just with us, his one of his members like wants to meet with him. Had a white, not white, but red. Oh, this shit on bags. I didn't notice that.
Yeah, this shit low as hell. Yeah, that's my dream car for real, CTSV. As much as I got like love for Chargers, bro, I'd trade my shit in real quick for a CTSV. Man.
That'd be some shit we leave when they start getting live.
No, for real.
That's what I don't want. That's on the thing. I'm like, damn.
Huh?
I had that phone now, little.
What?
I
This
just had to put my feet though. I use my feet to try that.
Hold on. What?
Yeah, the one with the red with the yellow top.
Yeah, about to get ready to leave.
I ain't gonna lie, I may even go to my homeboy shit too.
Shit.
Like, he supposed to be racing. I want to see that. I want to be in the
Yeah.
car. That nigga shit.
That's what
fast.
bro told me. He about to race a V6 Challenger that called him out. I guess the Challenger got a tune or something like that. That's why he said it.
Well, he gonna beat that shit, bro.
That's why I told him. He got an SS and some shit done to it. So, man. Oh, my bad. Thinking the camera flip. All right, my boy, I'm about to dip.
You better dip?
Hungry as fuck. All right, brother. All right, bro, I'm about to dip. All right, but if y'all race, let me know. All right, all right, bet. The hell is they doing? They think they in that one, that Mercedes truck that be bouncing.
The bouncing shit.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? That hell
Oh,
fire.
I know you're talking
It's
about
a
that.
Maybach. It's a Maybach.
Not a flash. Come on. Boy, Jeremiah. Let me see them red guts right quick before I leave. Slow Boy Nation. Huh? I ain't never seen it in the dark. They got the he still got the new car smell up here too. I'll tell my boy to clean this car, or I'll do it for him. That Caribbean. Yeah, you still got the new car smell.
You said what?
You still got that new car smell.
And I'll go like drive around real quick here. That bitch.
Silly in the mud, man. Shit, I'm about to get up out of here. You about to go to the races tonight?
Yeah, I made. Hey, who did your lights? Oh, you did that shit.
I did it.
Damn, what type of lights you prefer to get?
What you mean?
Like for my shit, if I want to get for my shit.
Like in the inside or?
Yeah.
Oh, in the inside?
Yeah.
Shit, you can put them in there.
What kind those is?
I'm gonna send you the link. I got it on Amazon. It's like universal, all cars.
All right, send me that shit.
I got you. Shit, me and you might well follow each other back there, cause we about to go the same way.
You might as well cruise.
Yeah. All right, my boy. All right, you too. I'm about to end the video. Catch y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody. That's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody. That's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want